The long-awaited episode. A lot of people have been giving me a bit of crap about this. I know you've been waiting eagerly, but come on, we've all got day jobs and other important things to do. But I'm sorry to keep you waiting. So without any further ado, let's get this cupcake party started. Before you get into the baking, I recommend you preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Next in line, we're going to prep our carrots and our walnuts. That's 3 cups of carrots and about 110 grams of walnuts. So these are the ingredients for the batter. We'll start off with 3 cups or 375 grams of self-raising flour. Everybody loves flour that can raise itself. 250 ml or 1 cup of oil. 3 eggs. Don't beat the eggs because they're going to be battered. Half a teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. 2 teaspoons of Robertson's mixed spice. 3 cups of finely grated carrots. 1.5 cups or 300 grams of brown sugar. And lastly, these nuts. 110 grams of chopped walnuts. We're going to start off by combining the oil, sugar, and eggs. Give that a good whisk till combined. We're then going to throw in our carrots and nuts. I'm sure some of you will find it funny. And fold till it's fully combined. Next, we're going to add our mixed spice and bicarbonate of soda to our flour and give that a good mix. And then it's time to marry these two because they complete each other. And once they've mixed well enough, there you have your batter. It looks good enough to eat the way it is. Get yourself some muffin trays or cupcake trays, some cups, and start adding the batter to the cups. I like to use different shapes and sizes. It makes eating it more interesting. Once your oven is preheated, it's time to get baked. Set the timer for 20 minutes and watch that thing go. How do you know it's done after 20 minutes? Pull the cupcakes out, dip a wooden toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it's ready to eat. So we're going to make these babies look pretty by adding a bit of icing on top. We're going to be doing a cream cheese frosting / icing. And the first ingredient you're going to need in the cream cheese frosting is, you guessed it, cream cheese. We're using 1 brick or 225 grams. Make sure this is at room temperature. We then have 3 cups of icing sugar. Sifted in, 1/4 cup of butter, also at room temperature, salted, unsalted, it doesn't matter, whatever you have on hand, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We'll start by beating the butter and the cream cheese together, just until they get a little bit soft, and then slowly adding the icing sugar bit by bit, get that nice and smooth, and then add in your vanilla and your lemon juice. Mix together until it's silky smooth. Next is the most important part of the cupcake making process. Doing some quality control until someone stops you. Just like our salad's not so good without the dressing, a cupcake is nothing without its icing. So let's add our cupcake dressing to the cupcakes. And there you have it, people. Carrot cake cupcakes. Look at those dapper babies sitting pretty. Feel free to decorate them the way you like. Obviously, the more interesting they look, the more people would want to eat it. I will be releasing my videos every 2 weeks instead of every week. Just a heads up, I've got an important announcement to make on my next episode. You guys are going to be surprised about this one. So stay tuned to see what it is. Feel free to share this video with your friends and family. I'm sure they'd like to watch it too. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, especially to see what's in store in the next episode. Now it's time for me to sink my teeth into these cupcakes. But how about you sink your teeth into these cinematics? Hit it.